Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a video that has been highly requested probably for the past 3 years, and I finally have gotten around to filming it. And it is styling leather leggings for like the fall time. I'm literally going to be showing you guys like 1,000,001 different ways to style leather leggings, and even still with all the choices that I'm showing you, there's still like 1,000,001 more ways that you can style them. I feel like leather leggings are so just nice to have in the fall time because you can throw on cardigans, blazers, sweaters, all of that over them. So I'm going to be showing you guys different ways to like dress them up and then ways to dress them down, what I like to pair with them, and all of that. So if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing, then definitely please keep watching. Essentially, it's like a fall lookbook, but with black leather leggings. Oh, you can't see them. Black leather leggings. Also, the leggings that I'm wearing in this video are the ones that I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They're the spandex leggings, but Target also has really good leggings. Who else? Zara has really good like leather pants and stuff, so you definitely can shop around. You don't absolutely need these ones, but I will say what I like about the spandex ones is that if you do decide to wear them with like crop sweaters and stuff like that, they definitely smooth out your legs. If you are a person that has like more cellulite and stuff, these smooth it out really nice. So that's what I like these for, but I also really love my Target ones. Love you guys. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I'm so active on there when I'm not posting on here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I'm so out of breath because I tried on so many outfits. Let's get into the video. Okay, so the first way I decided to style this outfit is with this oversized white button down. This one I thrifted from the men's section, and then I paired it with this sweater material H&M tank. I would definitely recommend doing it with a black vest, but to achieve this look, this was all I had, and you can kind of get the idea. And then I just threw that over top and paired them with these chunky Steve Madden leather combat boots. I love these with this outfit, and I just think that this is so like trendy but still very cute. It's comfortable, but you look like you tried really hard. Then next up, this is my favorite way to style leather leggings, is with an oversized flannel. You cannot go wrong with this outfit. It's just comfortable and cute. I have these styled a little bit more up with the like heeled chunky Steve Madden booties, but you could totally dress it down like this and just throw it on with some sneakers. These are my favorite sneakers. They're the classic Reebok sneakers. I love them because they have that nice cream tone in them. And you could even pair this with like a baseball cap if you really want to just dress it down and run errands in it. And then in this outfit, I threw on this oversized men's flannel from Walmart and then paired them with my platform Supergas. And again, just such a cute running errands outfit, but you look put together. The mixture of the leather with the plaid just looks really cute. And you could also totally like button up your flannel and wear it like that. Kind of going with that same vibe, I paired it with this oversized silk satin top. And the reason why I love pairing silk with leather is because it gives you a nice balance of like the femininity of the silky texture, and then you have the edginess of the leather. And then I also just love an all black outfit with a pop of white in the shoes. I paired them with my white Supergas, and I just think it looks so cute. You could totally tie it and wear it more cropped too if you want. And then following with that same oversized button up, I paired it with this really nice rust corduroy overshirt. This one is from Amazon, and I love the pop of the warmth of that overshirt with the all black outfit. Paired them with my combat boots from Walmart and my black Amazon bag. And again, just such a cute, comfy outfit. Then same thing with like mixing textures. Opposite of that, you can mix leather with the leather leggings and just switch up the tone. So I paired it with this H&M shacket. Also disregard my necklace that got messed up in my messed up pocket. But anyways, this is a leather shacket from H&M in this really pretty bone color. Look at it, I found it and fixed it. And then I paired it with my Steve Madden chunky bone boots. And then you could also mix it with like a nice white leather. This is an oversized moto jacket from H&M, and I just paired it with my white Supergas. I also love how far down this moto jacket comes because it'll still cover your butt in the leather leggings. This is a good just like casual outfit, but you still look so cute and put together. And if they still have these items, I will definitely try to link everything as best as I can, or I will try to find very similar pieces. And then again, you can do an all black outfit with like a nice leather black moto jacket and throw in that papa white in the sneakers, or go for all black and throw on like the chunky heeled booties. Right, and then segueing into blazers, I styled it with this leather blazer from Express. I would definitely prefer if it was more oversized because I like for my blazers to cover my butt and kind of like cover the front part. So in this clip, I'm showing you with this oversized plaid blazer and then these heeled booties. These are from Love Raid. I love them. They're a nice square-toed. You could definitely close up your blazer, or you can wear it kind of open front like that. And I'm just telling you, blazers with leather leggings go together like peanut butter and jelly. And then you could totally dress it down with, again, the same classic Reeboks. You can wear it closed, wear it open. And again, it's just like a cute casual outfit where you look put together and you look like you're trying, but you are so comfortable. And then this is one of my favorites. I paired it with this oversized blazer that I got from H&M last year. And then the same bone Steve Madden heeled combat boots. Love this outfit. I love mixing the like creamy bony tones with the black. And a classic way to style it is with an oversized sweater. I paired it with this one from H&M and the same bone booties. Make sure you have that gold jewelry peeking through. You could also keep it all black on the bottom with just your oversized sweater. And again, just a comfy, basic fall outfit. Throw on a cute bag with this and you are good to go. And even a cute hat. Did you guys see that clip? I also love it with this oversized sweater from Aerie. I recently got this. It's such a soft material. In the first clip, I showed you it with the black booties, but you could totally play up those warm tones and pair it with some kind of like calf-high brown suede booties. I think this outfit is so classic, and I just look like a pumpkin spice latte. It's a little chuggy, but I am so chuggy when it comes to fall, like just in general. I also love like the thick texture of this sweater paired with the leather. I'm just a sucker for mixing different textures. And then this is another one of my favorite ways to style them, with an oversized distressed jean jacket. Throw on some chunky heeled boots. It is such like a perfect like date night kind of outfit. If you're going to somewhere more casual or even like a girls' night, you could also pair it with like an all black look and do a black denim jacket in the heeled booties. You can't go wrong with this one. And then in this clip, I'm showing you with these heeled calf-high croc booties just to dress it up a little bit more. This, again, is a good like casual date night outfit, but it still has a little bit more of an edge and pop with the shoes to it. And then, again, basic way, but it's just a classic. Throw on an oversized cardigan and some booties or sneakers. You can't go wrong with cardigans and leather leggings. This one I got from the anniversary sale. And then another way is with cropped sweaters. And I just threw on my chunky Steve Madden booties. And this sweater I got from H&M last year, but I'll try to find similar links to everything. And then you could also do the black and white little thing again and do like a cropped white sweater, white platform sneakers, and the leather leggings. A cute, again, casual, but just like comfy outfit. And then this is one of my favorites. Throw on an oversized graphic tee, something that's like nice, big, loose, stretchy, and throw on some like cute platform sneakers. And this is a great running errands outfit, but I'm telling you, the leather leggings just dress it up way more. And then you could even amp that up by throwing on that like distressed denim jacket over top. And again, just like a cute outfit. You can go to brunch in this, lunch in this, run errands in this, and you just look like you know what you're doing. Make sure to have that gold jewelry peeking out if you want to dress it up. And then you could throw on some heeled booties to also dress it up a little bit more too. And I just think that this is so cute. I need to come up with more adjectives than just cute and comfy. And then, I forgot to show you this blazer look. But I love an all black outfit with an oversized black blazer, pop of white with the platform Supergas, such a great classic way to style leather leggings. You cannot go wrong. And not to mention, this jacket I thrifted from the men's section. I think I got it for only like $9. All right, you guys, and that wraps it up for this video. I'm exhausted. I've tried on so much stuff. Literally, my room is a mess right now. I tried to be as clean as possible and still it's chaotic. Anyway, also, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you liked about it or your favorite outfit. It definitely helps me out so much and I would really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I seriously love you guys so much. I pray that you all have a very blessed day and the rest of your week. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!